Multi-household HD doorbell graffiti operation video. Ringing the doorbell of apartment 1. Screen 1 lights up. Unlock via the mobile graffiti app. Press the button for apartment 2. Screen 2 lights up. Mobile graffiti app unlock. Ringing the doorbell of apartment 1. Screen 1 unlock. Press the button for apartment 2. Screen 2 unlock. Monitor settings for all functions and applications. Multiple language settings.